Good morning, happy Monday. My name is Anthony Speciale with Hawkeye Traders. For those of you who don't know who I am, I hope everybody had a wonderful weekend. Hope everyone enjoyed themselves, had a chance to take some time to reflect. That was my message on Friday. So I hope everyone had that opportunity because you certainly deserve it. Before we jump into today, I just need to disclaim to you that anything I share with you today, anything I show you today, anything that I exemplify today is for educational and informational purposes only. Please do not take anything as financial advice because it certainly is not. So guys, I want to take a look at something that occurred Friday. Friday morning, this is pre-market, but we're going to look at it on multiple time frames. In the Skype chat, there was a lot of chatter about how to set up the best day trade. What's your best day trading time frame? What's your best day trading technique? So I want to share with you guys the way I would day trade. That's how I got started because I didn't have a large enough account to swing trade like I do now. But when I got started with day trading. And then when I built up a little bit of money, I started taking small position swing trades. And then I kept building my account. The objective was always to play with house money, and that's, ultimately what I had accomplished. But I want you to take a look here. So, tragic news broke on Thursday evening, Friday morning about 1 a.m. that the United States president and his first lady had been diagnosed with coronavirus. They have tested positive for COVID-19. So, the markets during the overnight went into a brief free fall. It was not as, sustained of a free fall as some had suspected it to be. But throughout the day, it presented some opportunity. The indices had free fallen during the overnight, and then they kind of actually rallied back up during the day. But oil was on a path of downward momentum anyway, so it stayed favored in that direction. So guys, on this chart right here, we're looking at a light sweet crude oil, what I typically trade. And so this is a 3-minute entry chart, which qualifies on a 6 and 12-minute. So if we take a look at this chart here, we had clear entry, we had supporting volume on both higher time frames. And this, where I have that dashed vertical line, is right where, the Hawkeye standard entry is, and we call it the Hawkeye 3-step entry. So we're looking for volume and trend. We're looking for heat map. We're looking for confluence of volume and trend, and then confluence also on the highest time frame. So this is where the entry would have been taken on a 3-minute chart. We would have got short at 37.41. We could have managed our stop all the way through, or taken some profit off the table at the ATRs as the trade progressed. This is a textbook Hawkeye entry, with textbook profit-taking techniques. So I want to share this with you. I also want to share with you what it looks like on another time frame. So this is the same exact move, almost at the same exact minute that it occurred on a 5-minute chart. So our entry time frame is 5 minutes. Our qualifying time frame is 10 and 20. And we're looking for the same thing. We're looking for trend, we're looking for volume, we're looking for heat map, we're looking for higher time frame confluence of volume and trend, and then we're also looking at the highest time frame of non-opposing trend and, of course, supporting volume. So this too would have got you in at 37.39, even a few pennies earlier than the 3-minute chart. And once again, another clean textbook Hawkeye 3-step entry. You had opportunity to take profit at 1, 2, and 3, whether you decided to pull them off or you were following with a stop. Either way, these were just really, really textbook, easy to take trades, and you could just see how clean they lined up. Now, I had said to you about 1 a.m., the news broke that the president and the first lady had been diagnosed with coronavirus. If you take a look to the left side of this chart, you could see right at about 1 a.m. Eastern Standard Time that the market just kind of freefalled from 38.39 all the way down to 37.39. I mean, it dropped an entire dollar, and when things move that much on a $38 per contract unit here, I mean, we're talking, several percent, which is significant. So I want to show you what that looked on a 5-minute. Now, guys, we offer not just minute charts. We can gauge with Hawkeye tools anything, whether it's minutes, days, weeks, months, but we can go all the way down to a volume chart, which is called a tick chart. So this is what that exact same move, would have looked like on a tick chart. To the left here we have our gearbox and gear changer, and then we have our 4 time frames that the gearbox and gear changer, tell us to utilize. So the gear changer is telling us to trade on the cyan, the light blue, which is the bottom right. We would have taken the short at 37.39, and you could see how how it just developed. I mean, it completely sold off on all time frames. This also happened pre-market. This is the same exact time and same exact move that transpired on a 3-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, and now we're looking at a tick chart. I just want to show you that it doesn't matter which time frame that you prefer to choose. You can still use these exact same tools to get the exact same result, and that's the objective here. The objective is that you can customize Hawkeye to work in the fashion that you wish it to work in. And that's really, truly what makes it unique and special. Just like I showed you on the qualifying time frames of the 3, 6, 12 or the 5, 10, 20, you could look here on the tick charts. We have our fastest tick speed, then we have our second fastest and our third. If we move over to the chart on the bottom left, same thing, we go from our second to third to fourth. So we can, again, still analyze multiple tick speeds all on the exact same chart. It makes the lineup super clean and super easy. So I just want to show you what this looks like. Like I said, it's the exact same trade, just looked at in 3 different perspectives. That's the power of Hawkeye. That's the power of the tools that we have, is that it doesn't matter what makes you feel the most comfortable or what you prefer. You can still get the same result. And that's the goal for us, guys. The goal is for you to be a better trader, to take better quality trades, for you to be more profitable, and that's what we're here to offer you. Those are the indicators, the training, the methodology. That's what we're here for. And I wanted you to see this, how I would have set up 3 different time frames to achieve the exact same goal. And guys, I've day traded a 3-minute chart, a 5-minute chart, and tick chart. So this is nothing that's a stranger to me. This is something that I've done throughout my trading career. I could sit at a computer any day and just focus right in on this and know, see the opportunity when it presents itself and be prepared to take the trade. And that's the objective here. It's for you guys to see the opportunity and be prepared to take the trade. So my little token for you today is this: the older I get, the more I see a straight path of where I want to go. If you're going to go hunt elephants, don't get off the trail for a rabbit. Guys, all that means, in very simple layman terms, is set the goal and stay focused on it. Don't be distracted. If whatever the goal is, if you have to change the plan along the way to get there, that's okay. Don't change the goal. The goal never changes. The plan to get there just evolves. And I just want you to know that wherever you're at in your life, whatever the goal is that you're attempting to achieve, the path that you're on, don't step away from the elephant to go chase the rabbit. If trading is it, then just stay laser focused in trading. Stay laser focused in learning. Learn from every mistake. Don't make it twice. Write that stuff down. All these things that I share with you every single day, I want you to just take, and honestly, truly put this into practice, because that's the goal here. The goal is for you to grow from these videos that I'm spending time putting out there for you. It's my way to give back, and that's what I'm attempting to do here, is to help you guys see the bigger picture and not to lose focus. If you're focused on something, stay focused on it. Don't get distracted. And like I said, life happens, and as the process of getting from A to B occurs, sometimes the plan has to change, and that's okay, but don't ever let the goal change. That's the message today. Stay focused on the goal. Now, guys, you all know, if you want to follow my 6-figure-a-year trading strategy that is powered by Hawkeye, you can head on over to bigenergyprofits.com. You can register to see the webinar if you haven't seen it yet. You can also subscribe to my service. I will provide you with daily trade ideas, weekly trade ideas, and, of course, the alert service is built around the big trade ideas. So as they transpire, we're working, real hard to get you guys the best information we possibly can. I think we had 3 profitable daily trade ideas that manifested this past week during the sell-off. Had somebody just actively traded them with just a handful of contracts, there was plenty of room to pay for the entire service for the whole year. So that was certainly exciting to share with people. So, guys, with that, I'll wrap up for today. It's Monday, start of a new week, new day. Guys, stay focused. Stay focused on your vision. Stay focused on your goal. If you need us, always feel free to call us 888-233-8598. Visit us anytime at HawkeyeTraders.com, and you can always email the support staff and myself at team1@HawkeyeTraders.com. Guys, if you are using Hawkeye, please be sure you are getting the full extent of everything we offer. The training, the methodology, the indicators. If there's something you don't understand, there is a place for you to go to learn more about it. Head on over to the members area of the website. There are hundreds and hundreds of hours of training videos. Watch them. If you have questions, reach out. We will certainly help you. Make sure you're using and connecting with people in the Skype room. I've made some really great acquaintances, people I talk to now on a regular basis. I'm really enjoying myself. I'm enjoying helping them. It's been a wonderful experience. It's there for you guys. Take advantage of it. Wednesday mornings, don't forget, 9:30 to 10:30 Eastern Standard Time. We're going to do an intensive. We're going to talk about, all different kinds of stuff, psychology, methodology. We're going to talk about charts. We're going to look at charts. We're going to look at the live edge of the market. If you're available, please join us. If you're not, it will be recorded and put in the members area for you. For those of you who are not part of the Hawkeye, Traders family yet, it's okay. Click the link below. You can watch the webinar VSwarm. It'll get you introduced to our indicators, our methodology, our psychology, how trading with volume is so powerful and life-changing. If you're prepared to move forward, fantastic. If you're not and you have questions, please call us, email us. We will answer anything and everything that you have questions about. And guys, with that, I want to wish you a great day. I want to wish you a blessed day. I want to wish you a wonderful week ahead. It's Monday, new day, new week, beginning of a new month. Let's make it a great one because there's no reason not to. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Have a great day. Bye-bye.